Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up simple voice chat in Minecraft. First, you'll need to download a voice chat mod that's compatible with your specific Minecraft version. It's crucial that everyone you want to chat with installs the exact same mod and version. This ensures seamless communication and avoids any compatibility issues. Once downloaded, follow the mod's installation instructions, which usually involves placing it into your mods folder. After installing the mod, launch Minecraft and navigate to the mod's configuration settings. Here, you can fine-tune your audio. Adjust your microphone input volume to ensure your voice is clear and set your speaker output volume for optimal listening. You'll also choose between a push-to-talk key, which is often preferred for clarity, or voice activation, which transmits when you speak. With your mod configured, join a Minecraft server where the voice chat mod is also active. Once in-game, you can test your microphone to ensure it's picking up your voice. Many mods have an indicator to show when you are transmitting. Now, simply use your chosen push-to-talk key or speak if you enabled voice activation to communicate directly with your friends and other players on the server. If you encounter any issues, first check your computer's sound settings and Minecraft's in-game audio options to ensure everything is correctly configured. Often, simply restarting Minecraft or even your entire computer can resolve minor glitches. For more advanced problems, consult the mod's documentation or community forums. And hey, for making meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.